Some of these beard trimmers will seriously blow your mind with their precision, power, and versatility. Packed with cutting-edge grooming tech, smart designs, and pro-level performance, the best beard trimmers of 2025 are finally here. Let's dive into 5 impressive options that deliver way more than just a trim. Number 5. Manscaped Beard Hedger, the waterproof beard trimmer that simplifies grooming without sacrificing precision. If you're seeking a beard trimmer that blends intuitive functionality, rugged design, and grooming versatility into a single, no-fuss device, the Manscaped Beard Hedger is crafted with you in mind. Featuring a durable stainless steel blade system and a unique rotary adjustment wheel, it offers 20 precise length settings with just one fixed guard, eliminating the hassle of changing heads or managing extra attachments. Whether you're sculpting light stubble, maintaining a short beard, or trimming with precision on the go, this trimmer adapts seamlessly to your style. Built to perform in the real world, it's fully waterproof and shower-safe, allowing for effortless grooming in any environment while also making cleaning quick and hygienic. The 60-minute rechargeable battery ensures sustained power for multiple sessions, and with its fast charging capability, you're always ready, even during rushed mornings or last-minute touch-ups. Ergonomically designed with a solid, non-slip grip, the Beard Hedger feels as premium as it performs, offering control and comfort through every pass. The real standout, however, is its commitment to streamlined grooming, a modern solution for men who value simplicity without compromising results. Whether you're prepping for a business meeting, winding down post-gym, or staying fresh while traveling, the Manscaped Beard Hedger delivers the ideal balance of smart design, dependable power, and effortless usability in one sleek, all-weather ready device. Number 4. Panasonic ER-SB40, the high-precision beard trimmer engineered for power, comfort, and skin safety. If you're looking for a beard trimmer that offers professional-grade results with advanced motor performance and hypoallergenic technology, the Panasonic ER-SB40 stands as a top-tier choice for meticulous grooming. Equipped with a high-speed 9,800 cuts per minute linear motor, it delivers consistent, powerful trimming, even through thick or coarse hair, without pulling or skipping. Its hypoallergenic stainless steel blades ensure a smooth glide and gentle contact on sensitive skin, making it ideal for users who prioritize both performance and comfort. The trimmer offers 20 finely tuned length settings from 0.5mm to 10mm via an integrated adjustment dial, allowing for effortless transitions between styles without swapping attachments. Whether you're shaping detailed edges, maintaining a neat stubble, or going for a full beard refresh, the ER-SB40 adapts with clinical precision. Designed for both wet and dry use, it functions seamlessly in or out of the shower, while the ergonomic rubberized grip provides control and comfort during extended sessions. With up to 60 minutes of cordless runtime and the flexibility of corded operation, it stays ready for daily routines or last-minute touch-ups. The standout, however, is the relentless speed and torque it maintains from start to finish, perfect for those who demand salon-quality results at home. Number 3. Bevel Beard Trimmer, the precision grooming tool designed for sensitive skin and stylish control. For those who value sharp looks without the irritation, the Bevel Beard Trimmer offers a refined solution that blends elegant design, skin-friendly performance, and premium craftsmanship. Built with graphite-coated blades engineered to reduce tugging and skin sensitivity, this trimmer glides effortlessly across the face, minimizing razor bumps and irritation for even the most delicate skin types. Its adjustable blade system allows for seamless control over length and detail. No guards or attachments needed, making it ideal for maintaining clean lines, defined contours, or carefully sculpted facial hair. With up to 4 hours of cordless runtime and a 2-hour recharge time, it's always ready for daily upkeep or on-the-go touch-ups. The matte black metallic finish and minimalist form factor give it a modern, sophisticated edge that feels just as at home on a bathroom counter as it does in a travel kit. Although built for dry use, its ergonomic design offers an excellent grip and precision handling, perfect for those who appreciate grooming tools that are as beautiful as they are functional. What truly sets the Bevel Beard Trimmer apart is its commitment to comfort and control, crafted not just for utility, but for the grooming experience itself. Number 2. Wahl Professional Cordless Magic Clip, the barber-grade beard and hair trimmer built for precision fading and all-day power. For for those who demand professional level control, smooth blending, and flawless fades, whether in a barbershop or from the comfort of home. The Wahl Cordless Magic Clip stands as a trusted tool among industry pros and serious grooming enthusiasts alike. Featuring Wahl's signature stagger tooth blade technology, it enables seamless transitions between lengths, eliminating harsh lines and delivering an exceptionally clean, natural-looking finish with every stroke. Its adjustable taper lever allows users to fine-tune cutting lengths between 0.5 mm and 2.4 mm, offering versatility for both detailed beard work and precision haircuts. It also includes high-quality attachment combs, giving you even more control over your desired length and styling. Its zero-gap capability makes it ideal for ultra-close trimming and detailed finishing work. With a robust rotary motor under the hood, it powers through thick, coarse hair effortlessly while remaining surprisingly quiet and lightweight in hand. The 100-minute lithium-ion battery supports extended grooming sessions, and with a 2-hour recharge time, it's always ready when you are. Though designed for dry use, its durable plastic-metal hybrid body ensures a comfortable, slip-resistant grip even during long trimming sessions. What truly sets the Magic Clip apart is its unmatched performance in creating flawless gradients and clean lines, making it a staple for barbers, stylists, and grooming perfectionists who won't settle for anything less than a fresh, fade-ready finish. Number 1. Philips Norelco Multigroom 9000, the ultimate all-in-one grooming tool that redefines precision, power, and versatility. Dominating the grooming category in 2025, the Philips Norelco Multigroom 9000 earns its place at the top with unmatched multifunctional performance, robust build quality, and intuitive design that caters to every aspect of personal care. Engineered with self-sharpening, dual-sided stainless steel blades, this grooming powerhouse delivers ultra-precise trimming with smooth, snag-free control across the face, head, and body. With 21 high-performance tools designed for everything from beard shaping to nose, ear, and body grooming, it's a complete toolkit packed into one elegant device. Its IPX7 waterproof build ensures seamless use in both wet and dry environments, while the textured stainless steel body offers a premium, slip-resistant grip even under running water. The impressive 6-hour battery life means fewer charges and more freedom, further supported by a 5-minute quick charge mode that powers up for emergency trims. Whether you're styling your hair, defining your beard, or maintaining overall body grooming, this trimmer adapts instantly with interchangeable attachments and a powerful motor that handles coarse or fine hair with equal ease. What truly sets the Multigroom 9000 apart is its effortless balance of versatility, endurance, and convenience, making it a go-to essential for travelers, busy professionals, and grooming perfectionists alike. From full grooming routines to last-minute touch-ups, it delivers premium performance at every angle, proving that one device really can do it all and do it brilliantly. Here are the top 5 beard trimmers. So, which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome tech content. See you in the next video.